Hi, this is Jonathan from Clever Tiny Homes. In this video, I want to talk about upgrades. So we have a bit of a different philosophy at Clever Tiny Homes than pretty much everyone else in this space. Our philosophy, our goal is to build high quality homes that are going to last a long, long time. As such, all of our homes, our base models, if you will, include all the premium materials that you see. The quartz countertops, the high quality luxury vinyl flooring, the beautiful natural wood ceilings, the walls, the double pane California windows, everything that we talk about in all the videos, that's included in every single home we build, because that is part of our philosophy and it's the ethos of what we're all about. However, there are some appliances that don't fit everyone's lifestyle. And so we decided to not include those in our base build because not everyone wants them and we don't want to have to charge everyone for those. In this video, I want to walk through the most popular of these lifestyle or kind of appliance upgrades that some people want, but not everyone. So you can kind of think about, if you're getting a Clever Tiny Home, whether this is something you want to add as well. And I'll start in the kitchen. So every kitchen, again, high quality cabinets, soft close, LED lighting, vented range hood, the induction cooktop, the beautiful sink, and the fridge. That's all included in every home we build because pretty much every house is going to use those. But there's a couple features that are optional. One is the dishwasher. Not everyone wants a dishwasher, not everyone needs a dishwasher, but if you do, this is what we include. It's a really energy efficient, space efficient dishwasher. It's a drawer dishwasher from Fisher & Paykel. What we love about it is it doesn't take a lot of space, but you can put a ton of things in it. This is currently collapsed for shipping, but you can get tons and tons of stuff in this. It runs really fast. It's super, super efficient. So that's an option that we offer. Another option we offer in the kitchen is, and this is on all of our models, is the oven. Not everyone cooks with an oven. Not everyone wants an oven. Some people want the extra storage space, but if you are an oven person, we've got this beautiful electric oven. By default, in our base model, where you see both of these is just more cabinetry and storage. But you can put in the oven, you can put in the dishwasher. Those are things that are in about 30% of our units or so. In the bathroom, this unit that I'm in right now, this is what our base bathroom is. It includes tile, it includes beautiful tub, the tub shower combo. That's all included as base in the unit. But some people don't want a tub. They want to go shower, so we can do a shower with a sliding glass door, which is nice. Some folks want tub, and instead of doing like a hanging rod and a curtain, they want to do glass door. We can do that as well. So those are options that you can do in the bathroom if that's something you want. But again, everything includes the tile and everything base that you see here. Another one, this is in the Clever One, it's in the bathroom or in the bedroom, but it's in another area in the Clever S, is the washer and dryer. Again, not everyone needs or wants a washer and dryer. Some folks are in communities that have separate laundry or they're more short-term rental, whatever it is, but we do have an option to do both the hookups here as well as install a stacked washer dryer. A very key thing is it's vented. Vented washer dryers work better, last longer. So you have a vented washer and dryer that goes here. So that's a couple of the popular options that you see. This unit that you're in is what is called a cold weather or a Rockies edition for this. So this unit has a few extra features that are designed for extremely cold weather. Our base unit works great down to about 0 degrees Fahrenheit, but where this particular unit is going, it gets quite a bit cold in that. So we do have a Rockies edition upgrade that has 3 key features to it. One is that as opposed to the external propane water heater, we have an internal propane water heater. So on a normal base unit, you've got a beautiful Rinnai high quality water heater, but it's outside. For the Rockies edition, we put it inside because it can get down to colder temperatures in here. This is quite a bit more expensive, which is why we don't do it. Because if you don't need it, it's kind of a waste. Well, it is a waste of money. The other thing that we do in the Rockies edition is all of our units include these high quality mini splits. Everyone includes these super efficient mini splits. The standard one we include are rated again down to about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. For the Rockies edition, we do an upgraded one. You can't really tell the difference, but this one will work down to under minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. It is quite a bit more expensive to have these cold weather ones, so it only makes sense to put it in if it's going to a really cold space. But again, our base model includes the mini splits, both heating and air conditioning, includes the fresh air system, includes all of those things. That's included in the base model. For the Rockies edition, besides what you can see in terms of the Arctic edition mini splits and the interior water heater, the other thing we do is increase the insulation on the roof. You can't see that because it's in the roof, but we substantially increase that so that the heat doesn't rise and then escape through those roof in those really cold situations. While we're talking about the roof, there are options we do for off-grid. Again, not everyone's putting this off-grid, so we don't want to include that by default, but if you are off-grid, there's some exciting things you can do. One is solar panels with battery and generator backup. We do a full household electrical solar system that's super powerful, and we've got detailed specs we can send to that. We've done quite a number of those that have gone to off-grid locations and work great. The other thing we can do for off-grid is in the bathroom, a composting toilet or a dry flush toilet. So if you don't have access to a septic tank or other septic disposals, we can do that as well as part of our off-grid package. Another lifestyle feature we have that you can see right here, this doesn't look like much, but this is a controller for a heated floor, and it has Wi-Fi and everything. Again, you definitely do not need a heated floor to have a really warm home. These mini splits that we include will keep the home super, super warm in any climate. But we know kind of as a lifestyle, as a luxury upgrade, some folks really like having that heated floor. You wake up, you get out, the bed, you're barefooted, and the floor is nice and warm. It's pretty nice. So that's something that we can do as well as a lifestyle upgrade it. The last upgrade that I want to point out is the window coverings. I'll go over here to demonstrate it. Folks like to have different window coverings and styles, so we don't include this in our base model, but we've selected a window covering that we really like, and we stock that at our warehouse. And that's this one. It's a top-down, bottom-up cellular shade. So first of all, I'll show you to close it. It closes like this. These are blackout. They're not just black, but actually blackout. It's a really nice quality material. It opens and closes really easily. So we like that. And then the other feature about these is that you can open them both from the top and the bottom. So we have really big windows in this home, and oftentimes while living in it, we want privacy, but we also want that natural light to go in. Now it is dark outside while I'm filming this, but you can open these from the top, hence the top down, bottom up, and so you can get natural light coming into the home, but still have that privacy where someone can't come in and see those. So this is an option we offer as well. Of course, you can decorate the windows with whatever your favorite window covering is. So that's a quick overview of the option that we have. Our general philosophy at Clever Tiny Homes is our base model and our transparent pricing includes everything you need in a quality home. All the things we talk about in our quality build videos, all the things you see in our spec sheets, all the design elements. We want to build these homes so they're beautiful and they last forever, or close to forever as possible. But we do have some things that not everyone wants, and we offer those as additional upgrades as I've just walked you through. All right, thanks for watching.